Hello, I am Priyank Mishra, working in Greater Noida branch in Ceasefire Industries Limited. In the past 2 months, I have achieved sales turnover of 1.10 lakhs, and in the coming 6 months, I promise to give extra mile and achieve the sales turnover of 5 lakhs. I pledge for that next 6 months, my average call rate per day will be 8, my average proposal submissions per month will be 10, my average sales per month will be 80,000 per month. My average client creation per month will be 3. My commitment for the year 2012 and 2013. Hello, I am Priyank Mishra, working with Ceasefire Industries at Greater Noida branch. In the past 2 months, I have achieved sales turnover of 1.10 lakhs, and in the coming 6 months, I promise to give an extra mile and achieve the sales turnover of 7.5 lakhs. I pledge that for the next 6 months, my average call rate per day will be 8, my average proposal submissions per month will be 10, my average sales per month will be 1.25 lakhs. My average client creation per month will be 5. My commitment for the year 2012 and 2013 would be to achieve the sales turnover of 8.6 lakhs. Now I've just made up my mind to achieve such a target. I have a certain plan to achieve. What I am going to do, how I am going to pursue my clients, how I am going to categorize them into different kind of needs, because every client have different kind of needs. So what I think, some of our clients are already existing. For those I've categorized them into 2. Those who have been converted recently, for them we'll make more of the presentations on the new technologies and new innovative products made by our company. And for those who are very old clients of Ceasefire, I have certain strategies, because there are certain clients which we don't focus, or they are not yet in our relation. For that, we can use the upgrade strategy. I'm going to pitch those clients to make our continuous relation by pitching them with providing them upgrade on their 5 kg cylinders. And for new client generation, we have to make more and more awareness regarding the fire safety, for which we have to use our trained a sales process, that is SPANCO, a very intellectual, I will say a very well framed strategy, by which we can not only just penetrate the market, but also we learn at what kind of mentality and what kind of peoples we interact with, and how and what decision making person we have to choose to get to in that interaction. And now I would like to tell about my experience, what I have gained in past 2 months, and how I think about the brand Ceasefire. Brand Ceasefire appears to me not only just a promise, but a relevant promise that we can commit to our clients, because not just in a sense of brand, but also in quality and service, we are the best for providing solutions for the fire risks. Working in past 2 months in my Greater Noida branch, I have found a very good culture. Everybody is so cooperative. We are working as a family member. Every time, every of the senior welcomes us and gives us suggestions that if they have, they are always give us their experience which they have already got from the certain clients, and always try to tell us that what should be our second step or our first step of meeting to meet a particular client. Wrapping up this presentation, I would like to से few lines. तेरी आँच हमें सुलगाती है, इस बात की याद दिलाती है, तू है तो जोर से भरे हैं हम, टीम सीज़फायर में है दम. जय हो.